Okay guys, so in this video we're going to go ahead and learn a do while, and we're going to make it just a number guessing game. So we're going to learn a few other things like how to make a random number, okay? So, just like in the past two videos, we're going to make a new scanner, and if you need an import scanner, make sure you do that up here. If you hit Alt-Enter on that, you can just say import class, and then just pick that first one. So we're going to say scanner input equals new scanner again, okay? And then let's say out, enter a number, or we're going to say guess a number between 1 and 100, okay? And then we're going to say int guess number equals 0. We're going to go ahead and initialize it to 0, and then just say guess number equals input.next int, okay? So this is going to be the starting point for our program, or at least a few lines here. So I'm going to move this to the top, okay? We generally put variable names at the top. And then we're also gonna go ahead and start on the do here. So we're gonna say, so you just say do, and then squiggly brackets, and then after the do, parenthesis while, and then, sorry, you don't need parentheses, you need while, and then parentheses, and then a semicolon. Okay, so this is where we're gonna put our condition. So what we want to do is we want to make a boolean. So say boolean correct guess equals false, okay? So we're going to say while correct guess is equal to false, and this is kind of, IntelliJ will probably tell you that the second option there, correct guess, can be simplified to not correct guess. So we're going to leave it like this, but you could write it like, and it would probably be better to write it like this, just not correct guess, okay? Because that would basically say not true. But we're going to leave it the other way just for readability. So while we haven't guessed the right thing, we want to keep looping in here. So let's go ahead and generate a random number. So we're going to do that, right? Int random number. Okay. And then we need to do one more thing. So we're going to say random number equals math.random. Okay. And this math.random is going to return a decimal between 0 and 1. So if we times that by 100, we'll get a number between 1 and 100. Now, we're going to put parentheses around this because you'll see we're getting an error that it requires an int, but it found a double, because this is going to return double number, maybe like 50.5. And this is expecting a whole number. So to fix this, we can just say int. Okay? Oh, sorry, you need to put that within parentheses. And that will cast it from a double to an integer. So we'll lose precision, okay? So if it's 50.7, it will just be turned into 50. So now we have a random number, and what we need to do is, in here, we just need to check if we're going to say guess number is equivalent to random number. We want to say s out, you guessed it. Okay, and then we want to change correct guess equal to true. But let's say that guess number is less than the random number. So I guessed 30, but the number is 50. We want to say guess again. And then what we're going to do is we're going to copy this line. And we're going to put it right here. And actually we'll give a hint. We'll say guess again. Your number was too low. And then the only other case, so rather than saying else if, rather than saying this line that I'm typing, we're just going to say else, okay? Because if it's not equal to and it's not less than, the only other option is that it's greater than. So we're going to just copy this line, or those two lines, paste them, and then all we got to do is change this last one, okay? So let's go ahead and run it and just get a peek. Okay, so it says guess a number between 1 and 100. So I'm going to enter 50. So my number was too low. So let me try again. 60. so now my number's too high. Okay, so you'll see each time it's like checking. So it was 50, it was too low, so then it went in here. It went in here again, and but now I'm too high. So let's go ahead and just try. Okay, so 79 was the number, okay? And you'll see that this is, do while loop is nice if you always want to do this at least once, okay? Which we could have taken this and put it out here and then we wouldn't have to, but for this example, this worked out nice, okay? So that's going to be it for this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about a for loop, okay? Thanks, guys.